What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all are doing good today. So today in this video is pretty much like an update because I haven't really posted anything, but I just wanted to talk about the things that, well, it's been like almost 2 weeks now since my car's been at the shop, and I just wanted to let you guys know I'm still alive. But as you can see, my room is pretty dirty. Look at this, no mom is. I need to clean my room. But up here, I have all my stock stuff. So like my stock intakes, what is it? What's that shit called? I think, oh, fuck, I forgot what it's called. But it's the damper bar that goes in the front. They took that off when I put the oil cooler on. I don't know why, but yeah, Georgie took it off. And if you guys did not know what this is, it's a new pickup. I'm not gonna tell you all what it is, but if you know, you know. No mames. I need to get the gaskets for it, but that's gonna be the white pipe that's gonna be going on my Z once I get it back. I just need to get the gaskets and the bolts, but I'll have that. But man, look at my room. This shit is dirty as hell. These boxes, I need to take them out. One of these boxes has my stock taillights, the OEM taillights. That's why I've been keeping them. And also because if I have to ship back any parts, I could just easily put it in one of those boxes. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I had to say. I haven't really posted anything. Oh, I have these because I used to own a Fox body. But if any of y'all know anybody that wants to buy Fox body door panels, OEM door panels, these shits are expensive. If you buy them off LMR, these things are hella expensive. I think they go for like $600. I'll sell them for $300. You guys could see, I mean, they're not in bad condition. They could probably use some cleaning up. You guys could probably clean them up with, like, I don't know, some baby wipes, Lysol wipes. I really don't know. And then here's the other one. No mama's way. There's the other one. So guys, if you guys know anybody that wants to buy Fox body Mustang parts, I think they fit on 87 through 93 model years. Let me know. I have a cam for a Fox body. So whoever wants to buy this cam, Fox body cam, trick flow cam, I'll sell this one for like, I don't even know if it's good or not, but it has the little serial numbers on there and everything. I'll let it go for like $50. And then I have this. I think it's for the mass airflow sensor. The airflow sensor. And then this little, I don't know, this piece. Forgot what it's called right now. Can't. But as you guys could tell, it's an OEM Ford part. If y'all would like to buy it. Oh, no mames. And then I have an alternator. I have the upgraded alternator for Mustang Fox body, because the OEM one is trash that come on the Fox body. So that one's the upgraded one. So if you guys would be interested in those, just let me know. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this video, show off the new part. And then also I might be switching my rims on my Nismo. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure. I told the guy, because my car's still getting wrapped. I think I'm getting it back in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for the wrap, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna be switching the wheels, different colors. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Don't let me know. Fuck, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. But if you guys are interested in seeing the new color for the wheels, Just stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Sorry I haven't really been posting that much lately. It's just because I've been not really having like content to make. And I haven't had my car. It's been like 2 weeks now. The wrap got delayed just because forgot what. Oh, because the guy has been having like family issues at home and stuff. So I was like, all right, no worries, bro. But besides that, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and you guys leave a thumbs up. You feel me? And I'll be dropping a lot of stuff soon. So, but yeah, guys, this is gonna end the video for here. I just wanted to do a little quick update because I haven't posted anything. And yeah, guys, peace out.